Are you a big woman or are you a baby?
Big woman.
Oh, so true. Alright. Alright.
Welcome back to another video. What's here? Yes guys, but welcome back. And you know, today like I'm always I say, we're going on one journey. We're actually go on our way to go get brunch, and we're going to District 5. You know, we're link up with a couple of friends and things, you know, for just chill and all our vibes lately, you see me?
Yeah.
So yeah, on our journey with we. So we're showing a little pieces here and there, you see me? So journey along with us.
And continue to subscribe to the channel, guys. We're currently on the road to 2,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for sharing this journey with us. We really appreciate it, and we cannot stress that enough. But just continue to support us. We'll continue to provide you with contents. It might help you to find property. It might help you to de-stress. Whatever it is that our videos help you to do, just continue to watch and to support. And thank you guys so much. So as Sammy always say, journey with us.
So we're pulling up. Oh. So it's actually at the our hotel.
Hello people.
I don't know what's this video in that one.
Guys, look at my friend over here. Turn around, let them see a good in highlight and a big YouTuber. Yeah? Yeah? Follow her, guys. Subscribe. Hello, Kimon. What's up? Long time don't see an Ariel. Hold on, who left? Alright guys, so Samify in our picture seat already. She just come. So we're here guys. Sit down and take a picture right now since you're ready. Ariel always on her phone.
No.
Shamara always on her phone. Kimon always on her phone. And I am surprised Neville is not on her phone. Well, and I have never phone. Okay, that explains it. And this one over here, so him love a phone, man. Alright guys, so I let out some of you one day.
You let me up?
Yeah man, so after this brunch, I carry her go back into the house, go lock her up. Alright. Where's it? Where's it?
Your old
Are you a woman or my woman?
Well, yours, but your old Your old she's a big woman.
Are you a big woman or are you a baby?
Big woman.
Oh, so true. Alright. Alright. Yes, when people they round, eh? I'm such a beer about she a big woman. But no worry. You see, after we're done eat at the table here, and then gone home, tell me say you're a big woman again. You're video? Alright. We're sending one video. With she, when you go home, you know, one card.
Full of chat.
Full of chat now, though.
What's your name?
Yeah? Alright, guys, so the photographer is here. See him right there, so. Good pants. Jesus, Father. Pinedo. Yes guys, our picture time and now everybody are going to take them turn for the cameraman. Watch I wanna come out now. Lord, honestly I'm gonna carry back inside. Honestly? Never, how you feel for being cameraman for you there? Yeah? Let me see a picture for your phone. Guys, you can hire Neville for your photography, sir. Lord God. He just always spoil it, you know. Wanna watch it now? Lord gee. Cause she come out. I'm gonna put you back in our house, man. Yeah, man. Make sure you take a picture good, you know. Yeah. Ready? Photo shoot time, you know. They might take them picture before they eat and the belly then come out.
So I'm to taking pictures.
Samantha.
Because I always a trouble, Alex.
I am always against self-talking. Alright guys, so the food them there looking lovely. Ariel is on a diet. Well, so she say. Yeah. Revs. Yeah, you would have a share of him shrimp with everybody on the table. Samantha you will. Yeah. So I'm tell you don't want to put me you. See me tell you? Don't want to put me, yeah? Some record?
Yeah, me just keep a cry.
Thank you.
I don't know that this What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me? I don't know.
You said this is all the vegetable again? You said this is all the vegetable.
Right there.
I am sorry for my ways, my dirty
One piece of
ways.
broccoli and then
I have no apologies. I've been drinking all night, winding under the moonlight. I'm so light. The place come shake.
want the shrimp now? Oh, wait, want the shrimp now? Want the shrimp now?
I got some, sir.
You got some?
Watch my crowd up there. Watch my crowd up the place. Eh? Your belly full? Hey, let me see your belly come on. Get out of the way, please. Alright, I guess we'll be leaving Ariel. Go on in, upload.
Ariel, run home. Somebody press the button.
How are we going? How about on there? No. Ground floor, we go. Ground floor, we going. No, you alone can go on a basement. Jesus Christ. Gosh. Alright guys, so everybody belly full now. See them a walk go home. Alright, I call a taxi. Where taxi there? Yeah man, call it on time. Yes, you show me? Call it on time taxi. Where there? On time. Yes guys, so the link up was long overdue. Finally happened after almost 2 years. Almost 2 years. So it was a good link up again. Like Mr. Obelli full, see that? Yeah, go home now. Well, I get some other things done on the road. Go home, enjoy yourself.
That's all shut up about.
Where you go?
Heaven house and fun time.
Guys, Ariel is still hungry. She go buy a patty.
Curry goat patty.
Curry goat patty to be exact.
And bread pudding.
Zine. So before she eat her food a while ago, she asked a patty, belly full. She still want patty. Ariel not still. But thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe, remember to share, like up the video, and we'll link you guys in the next one. And guys, remember to subscribe to Naturally Told Mara.
Yeah.
Subscribe to our channel. Link will be in the description. Thanks guys. See you later. Bye.